Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this tutorial, I will show you how to increase your SpotMe limit on time. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any steps. Let's get started. First, maintain direct deposit. To increase your SpotMe limit, one of the best things you can do is keep up your direct deposit. Make sure you are depositing at least $200 each month into your Chime account. The more consistent your deposit are, the more likely time will increase your SpotMe limit over time. You may even bump up the amount when you can to boost your chance of a higher limit. Second one is use your account regularly. Your SpotMe limit is not just about direct deposit. To increase it, you need to use their Chime account actively, pay bills online, make purchase using your Chime Visa debit card, and keep your account active. Regular activity can help show Chime that you are a reliable user, which can lead to a higher SpotMe limit. It's important to know that will notify you if you qualify for a higher limit. Unfortunately, their customer support team can't manually raise your SpotMe limit, but don't worry. As long as you keep receiving directly deposit and stay active with your account, your SpotMe limit may go up naturally over time. Now, SpotMe Boost. What are the SpotMe Boost? SpotMe Boost are a fun way to temporarily increase your SpotMe limit by $5. You can send boost to your friends and family and they can send them back to you. Here's what you need to know about SpotMe Boost. Your boost receive for the beginning of each month. You can send after boost 4 boost per month and receive up to 4 boost last until the end of the month. Your SpotMe limit will return to your base limit once boost expires. You can only send one boost to each friend per month. Now, how to use SpotMe Boost? Using Boost is easy. Here, how to can send and receive them. First, open the Chime apps. Find SpotMe Boost under the Financial Tools section on the home screen. Then search for the person you want to send a boost for from your contact list. Then tap Send $5 boost next to their name. Once you send a boost, the recipient SpotMe limit will increase by $5 and they can return the favor by sending a boost to you. Now, understanding your SpotMe limit. There are three parts. One is base limit, second one is bonus limit, and third one is boost limit. Okay. Base limit. This is your standard consistent SpotMe limit each month. And boost. There's temporarily increase come from sending or receiving boost SpotMe limit by $5 from the month. And bonus. Occasionally, you may receive a bonus from Chime, usually from participating in a promotional campaign. which can also temporarily raise your SpotMe limit. And that's it. By maintaining regularly deposits, staying active on your account, and using Boost, you can increase your SpotMe limit over time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.